Spanish Town Primary were honoured on Monday after winning their first title since 2019 at the just concluded In Sports National Primary Championship held at the National Stadium. They were celebrated and paraded from the school gates at White Church Street through the streets of the older capital and back to base. Spanish Town swept to the title by dethroning Licensed Primary. The talented Joshua Williams was the boys' MVP and joint MVP overall, alongside Ariana Lewis of License, both scoring 24 points. Williams, who broke the record in the boys' long jump, won 4 gold medals and was a member of the record-breaking 4x200 team that decided the championship.
Sir, when I received the baton, sir, I was gone. Sir, I feel good, sir. Good, sir. Because we carry on doing, sir.
The Central champion Spanish Town won the All-Ireland title with 234 points, 8 points ahead of License, 226, with Halfway Tree Primary third on 105.5 points.
Very, very proud.
It's a jubilee year in Spanish Town because, as I said, a win for Spanish Town Primary is a win for the entire community of Spanish Town. And we're very happy. This will really encourage our athletes and encourage the community about this championship today.
Feeling elated, I'm feeling excited because we did well want to beat License. You see when License get disqualified and them a protest, the commentator said the last race, the 2 last race, Spanish Town have firsts in both races. License Uncle has firsts in 1. But you see the last race the little boy run and broke the record. I know say License done. I'm proud of them. 1 Spanish Town to the world.